here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're bowling Team USA trials in Australia, and we're having a great time.
What's up, dude?
You got the vlog here?
We got the vlog here.
You had a pretty good day. Oh.
Thank you.
I didn't play the first couple of games. I was, kind of like in college when you sit out when you bowl bad. I was just kind of sitting there.
Oh, okay.
On to tomorrow.
Bowled a pretty solid set today. 166 over for my 6 games. Bowled 160 game 5 and completely missed a move and made the wrong guess, and ended up in a poor result. But besides that, I felt like I bowled 5 really solid games around that. If I learned from what happened in game 5, I was able to use it game 6 and learn it for the rest of the week. You know what? I'm going to be pretty okay with that. So really content with the way that I bowled. Felt like I was really patient and made a lot of really good shots. And spare shooting was really good as well, and had a bunch of clean games in there too, and those always help the score. So my tip of the day is to stay patient, as always, because you never know when it's going to come. And try to remove your emotions from the situation and not get so wrapped up in the result, and trying to figure out, okay, what do I got to do to get my ball to get back to the 1-3? Not, I just bowled 160, because you never know when 279 is right around the corner, because that happened today. Let's go watch the girls.
She threw a double.
Okay.
With a urethane ball. 2 in a row.
But keep in mind, I've hit the pocket 4 shots in a row now. And with my other balls, I haven't done that except my first game when I threw the back 5 for a 202.
So, now you tell them high pocket is defense.
That's what Dad
Parker
says.
Bohn the third.
She could have hit the pocket 4 times in a row the last 2 games if she didn't throw it in the gutter.
Okay, well,